Hi. So in this video, what we're going to be talking about is more on the side of once we have our tasks, how are we going to get them into the schedule board and actually plan them and assign them to different resources? So the first way that I'm going to show you in this video is we're going to do this manually. So one of the ways that we can do this is we see here we are in the schedule board. And at the bottom, we have open requirements down here to add different tasks to the project of what needs to be completed. The way that we create these requirements manually is by going into the resources section. So instead of being in projects, we go to resources. And then in resources, we have a couple of different options, but we want to go to requirements. So once we go here, we can see that there are several active resource requirements that are already created here. But if we want to create a new one, all we have to do is go to the top and hit new. So once we're in here, we can create a new resource requirement. So let's say we just have test. We have the date from and to, an allocation method. The duration is going to be assigned automatically. The effort, we put in a number for the amount of effort. We put a status as active. And then finally, we can also associate it with a project here. With that required information input, we can now save the resource requirement. So now that that's done, we can go back to the schedule board and we should be able to see the test requirement right there at the bottom and ready to be scheduled. So as you can see here, we have the test requirement that has now shown up here. And all we have to do with this is now just add it directly to someone's row to make sure that it's being scheduled for them. So let's say here, it's going to add all the information about it on the side, and then all we have to do is hit book after that. So once we do that, we confirm, and now it's been added to that person's schedule. With that being said, that's the first way of scheduling requirements for a specific project. In the next video, we will show you how to do that automatically using resource requirements generated directly from the project.